Does TCL TV have Google Chrome? TCL TVs are equipped with smart features, and many users wonder if they can use Google Chrome for web browsing. Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers, but its availability on TCL TVs depends on the operating system. Understanding whether TCL TVs support Google Chrome and how to access it can improve your browsing experience. 1. Google Chrome availability on TCL TVs. TCL TVs do not come with Google Chrome pre-installed. However, TCL models running Google TV or Android TV allow users to install third-party web browsers, including Chrome, from the Google Play Store. On TCL Roku TVs, there is no official way to install Chrome directly. 2. Installing Google Chrome on a TCL TV. If your TCL TV runs on Google TV or Android TV, you can install Google Chrome by downloading it from the Google Play Store. If it does not appear in the store, you can sideload it using an APK file. However, since TCL TVs do not have a built-in mouse and keyboard, navigating Chrome may require a wireless keyboard or a remote control app. 3. Using Google Chrome without installation. If you cannot install Chrome on your TCL TV, an alternative is to cast it from a mobile device or computer using Chromecast. Open Google Chrome on your phone or laptop, tap the cast icon, and select your TCL TV to mirror the browser. This method allows you to browse the web without directly installing Chrome on the TV. 4. Alternative web browsers for TCL TVs. If Google Chrome is unavailable on your TCL TV, other browsers like Puffin TV Browser, Firefox, and TV Bro can be downloaded from the Google Play Store on Android and Google TV models. For Roku TCL TVs, using a web browser requires a casting method or connecting an external device like a Fire Stick or Chromecast. 5th, troubleshooting web browsing issues. If Google Chrome is not working on your TCL TV, ensure that your TV's software is up to date. If you sideloaded Chrome and it is not opening, try using a different version of the APK file. For better browsing, use a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to navigate more easily. TCL TVs do not come with Google Chrome pre-installed, but models with Google TV or Android TV allow installation through the Play Store or sideloading. If installation is not possible, casting Chrome from another device or using an alternative web browser can still provide a good browsing experience.